Good morning, everybody. It's a rainy morning here in North Dakota, and I'm in Kenmare, the Pioneer Village, Naomi Hall, on a stage that has seen a lot of great entertainment in its day. This building has had a lot of dances in it, and weddings, and Lawrence Welk played on this stage. So for me, it's an honor to play a song I wrote called Jenny Lind Fever. It's about an opera star who came to America in 1850 at the age of 30. And hooked up with P.T. Barnum to do 90 shows across America, Cuba, and Canada. P.T. told her he would make her a lot of money. In today's standards, it's about $20 million. Some of her tickets would go as high as $600 a piece. The money she made, most of it was donated to charities across the United States and Europe. There's a lot of things named after Jenny Lind. The Jenny Lind Polka, Jenny Lind Furniture. Norway, they have an Airbus with her image on it on the tail wing. There's roads in America named after her, towns. Very giving person. I run across her name in a country music book. The reason she was in there was because she was actually the first person who was promoted for venues in the way that PT did it that would really draw the crowds. And they still use that model today when they're doing stuff like that. So, my song, Jenny Lind Fever. P.T. Barnum had the greatest show on earth. There's a sucker born every minute, make sure you get your money's worth. Was a showman, a businessman, a politician, in love with the Swedish Nightingale, Jenny Lind. P.T. Barnum sent a telegram across the Atlantic. Come join my circus, and he got an answer back. I said, Saturday night, out of Liverpool, England. It was signed by the Swedish Nightingale, Jenny Lind. $50,000 people lined the boardwalk just to see her. She pulled up to the dock on a paddle-boat steamer. The opera star from Stockholm who came to sing for them, the Swedish Nightingale they called Jenny Lind. It spread like wildfire, that Jenny Lind fever. All across America they would come to see her. Under the big top, the main attraction, the Swedish Nightingale they called Jenny Lind. Fiji the mermaid, General Tom Thumb, bearded lady, state charmer, Jumbo the elephant, Chang and conjoined Siamese twin, and the Swedish Nightingale they call Jenny Lind. Following seas and fair wind, P.T. Barnum tried his hardest, but her heart he couldn't win. On the high tide back to Liverpool, England, went the Swedish Nightingale they called Jenny Lind. Yeah, P.T. Barnum had the greatest show on earth. Sucker born every minute, make sure they get their money's worth. Was a showman, a businessman, a politician, in love with the Swedish Nightingale, Jenny Lind. Jenny Lind, Jenny Lind, P.T. Barnum couldn't win the heart of the Swedish Nightingale, Jenny Lind. Jenny Lind Fever. Thanks for listening, and Have a great day.